Hi YouTube, coming to you again with another little video on a snack pack I have, or a snack box, whatever you would like to call it. It's a great holiday gift, something I would like to give away, or just let you know how to make a snack box. Well, the one I make, I like to eat out of it, and I have some personals. So this is it. And I have some popcorn in it. I have some chips in it. I have some M&Ms. And eat them in moderation. I have some personal items in it, like eyelashes. I have some makeup, eyeshadow. I have a lipstick in here from Wet n Wild. So hopefully you can see that. I have some popcorn. And I have some fish. There's a couple of things I like to snack on. If you like my YouTube page, leave your comments and subscribe to Kizzy's YouTube. Thanks for subscribing. Leave your comments. Talk to you later. Bye.